Oh, there he is.
Hey, how you doing, boss?
How you doing yourself? What you been doing this past week, huh?
Just hanging around.
Hanging around.
Yeah.
Chilling.
Yeah, just chilling.
Where'd you get your freaking balls, huh?
I'm sorry. Please, come on, man. Boss didn't mean no harm.
You don't think I'll be keeping track of your finance tracker? Freaking lazy idiot. I know where all your funds have been going.
Okay. I just didn't have enough time. I just needed to get automated even better. Please, come on.
Looks like I need to upgrade everything for you, huh?
Oh, thank you. Thanks, boss.
Fine.
I won't let. What's going on, y'all? This is Comms Engineering, and in this video, we're going to be upgrading the previous transaction build that we did. So again, this is an input-driven app where you get transactions from your bank through some sort of banking service like Plaid or Stripe or whatever, and it goes through your Xcode app, and then you can pretty much just type the amount, the category, the notes, and then you submit the transaction that will be inputted into your Google Sheets. So basically you have a couple of things for this. Okay, essentially this is what we're going to be dealing with. This is the full diagram of the app. On the left side here we have three main things, right? It's the Plaid API right here, it is the iOS app, the user, and the Google Sheets, Google Script stuff. Now this is an input-driven app by the user. However, it really heavily relies on the Plaid API. So how this works, right? You have your bank that's connected to Plaid. It will go through a webhook once you connect your client ID and secret ID API keys. And those are kind of like those are just the keys for authentication. They're responsible for these two right here. Webhook sends sending transaction and returning access token to access your bank. And that'll go through the iOS app backend. That'll go through the iOS app backend. Now, in terms of the user, they have to authenticate and receive notifications. They also input Google Sheets notes on the category and the amount of what they purchased or transaction wise, and a prompt for the transaction details. So these two are inputs, and then this is outputted back to the user so they can potentially, and the other output, one output is for requesting a push notification, the other is authenticating the Plaid link, and the last output would be posting everything on Google Sheets. So for this, we're going to be using Swift and Plaid's pay-as-you-go production service. For this, you're going to have to request production access through your Plaid dashboard. Once you sign up, you'll have a couple of options of sandbox environments, which will be fake test data, but production is real data, so that's the thing that you want to use. After that, you'll be ready and good to go once you get it approved, and then I'll see you in the next video. Peace.